The role of bioluminescence in deep-sea ecosystems. Bioluminescence, the ability of living organisms to produce light, is one of the most fascinating and mysterious phenomena in nature. While it is well known in some terrestrial organisms like fireflies, the real magic happens in the ocean, particularly in the deep-sea ecosystems. In the pitch-black depths of the ocean, where sunlight does not penetrate, bioluminescence plays a crucial role in the survival and functioning of many organisms. Let's explore the important role bioluminescence plays in deep-sea ecosystems. What is bioluminescence? Bioluminescence is the production and emission of light by living organisms. This process occurs through a chemical reaction within specialized cells or organelles in the organism. It typically involves a molecule called luciferin that, in the presence of the enzyme luciferase and oxygen, produces light. This phenomenon is known as cold light because it generates light without emitting heat, unlike other forms of light like fire or incandescent bulbs. In the deep ocean, bioluminescence is essential due to the lack of natural light, and many species have evolved this unique ability to help them thrive in this extreme environment. The deep-sea environment is characterized by several extreme conditions. No natural light. In depths beyond 200 meters, sunlight no longer penetrates, leaving the ocean in complete darkness. High pressure. At depths of over 1,000 meters, pressure is over 100 times that at sea level. Cold temperatures. The water in the deep ocean is near freezing, usually ranging between 0°C and 4°C. Scarcity of food. With limited access to nutrients, the deep ocean is a food-scarce environment where survival strategies are highly specialized. In this dark and hostile environment, bioluminescence is not just a curiosity, it is vital for survival. Roles of bioluminescence in deep-sea ecosystems. 1. Predation and hunting. One of the most critical roles of bioluminescence in the deep ocean is as a predation strategy. Many deep-sea predators use their light-producing abilities to attract prey. One of the most famous examples is the anglerfish, which has a bioluminescent lure on top of its head. The anglerfish dangles this glowing appendage in front of its mouth to lure curious prey toward it, where it can then strike with lightning speed. Other predators, like certain species of squid and fish, may use bioluminescence to illuminate their surroundings, helping them spot prey in the pitch-black water. 2. Defense and camouflage. Bioluminescence also plays an essential role in defense mechanisms. Many deep-sea organisms use their glow to confuse or evade predators. For example, when threatened, some species of squid and shrimp release clouds of glowing bioluminescent fluid to create a dazzling display that disorients their predator, giving them time to escape. Additionally, some organisms use bioluminescent camouflage. These creatures produce light on their undersides to match the faint light that filters down from the surface. This makes them harder to detect by predators lurking below, as the light they emit blends with the dimness from above. 3. Communication and mating. In the deep-sea world where visibility is limited, bioluminescence is often used for communication between organisms. This can be especially important for mating, as many species use their bioluminescent displays to attract potential mates. Firefly squids are a great example of this, with males emitting specific light patterns to signal their readiness to mate. In addition to mating signals, bioluminescence can help with species recognition. Some organisms use glowing patterns to distinguish themselves from others, ensuring they mate with members of the same species. 4. Attraction of prey. While bioluminescence is primarily used by predators to attract prey, it can also play an active role in drawing food closer. Some species of deep-sea fish and plankton emit light to attract smaller organisms. In some cases, bioluminescence is used to lure planktonic organisms or krill into the feeding range of larger predators, ensuring a consistent food supply in the sparse deep-sea environment to support the food, locomotion and navigation. In the featureless world of the deep ocean, where there are no landmarks and very little external light, bioluminescence helps some organisms navigate and orient themselves. Certain deep-sea species, like the lanternfish, have the ability to release light when in motion, which helps them detect movement around them or avoid collisions with other creatures. Additionally, bioluminescence can serve as a form of blending with the environment, for example, by camouflaging the organism or confusing potential predators. This can give creatures the time they need to navigate or swim safely through the darkness. Common bioluminescent deep-sea organisms. The deep sea is home to a vast array of bioluminescent organisms, each using light in their own unique way. Here are some notable examples. Anglerfish. As mentioned earlier, the anglerfish uses its glowing lure to attract prey. It has evolved a specialized organ called the escaphe, which houses bioluminescent bacteria that emit light. Lanternfish. Lanternfish are small but abundant fish in the deep sea. They have specialized light organs called photophores that produce light. These fish use their light for both camouflage and communication. In Compreport shortly, this is some of the activity that the viperfish describes in his book, Lanternfish, Landscape. They also use light to help navigate the darkness of the ocean. Bioluminescent jellyfish. Many species of jellyfish emit light to lure prey or deter predators. The Aquaria victoria, a bioluminescent jellyfish, is one of the most famous examples of bioluminescence in the ocean. It is the source of green fluorescent protein, GFP, which has become an important tool in biological research. Firefly squids use bioluminescence for mating displays. The males glow brightly to attract females. Many types of plankton, such as Noctiluca scintillans, produce bioluminescent light. These plankton play an important role in the marine food web and create the phenomenon known as sea sparkle when disturbed. The importance of bioluminescence in deep-sea ecosystems. Bioluminescence is more than just a survival tool for individual organisms. It plays an essential role in maintaining the overall health and balance of the deep-sea ecosystem. By helping organisms to find food, avoid predators, and reproduce, bioluminescence ensures the survival of many species in an environment that is difficult for most life forms to thrive in. Additionally, bioluminescent organisms play a critical role in the marine food chain. Many animals rely on bioluminescent plankton as a primary food source, while larger predators feed on these smaller creatures. The glow of bioluminescent organisms helps to regulate this food web, making the deep sea a functional and interconnected environment. Conclusion: the magic of light in the darkness. The role of bioluminescence in deep-sea ecosystems is a prime example of how life has adapted to some of the most extreme environments on Earth. In the absence of light, bioluminescent organisms have evolved to harness the power of light for survival, whether it's for hunting, communication, camouflage, or attracting mates. These glowing organisms not only illuminate the darkness of the deep sea, but also reveal the fascinating ways life can adapt to even the most hostile environments. As scientists continue to study the deep ocean, bioluminescence remains one of the most captivating and mysterious aspects of life below the surface. It offers a glimpse into the hidden wonders of the ocean, reminding us that even in the darkest places, life finds a way to shine.